I'm aware that you villainous, killing these niggas with fear, you the scarecrow. Ride or die, and she tight as my alibi air though. You the type that I had me not rapping for pleasure, to rinse and repeat, I don't care though. I'm after the guap, so I'm on a money mission on the block. She shotgun, top 5, dead or alive. She ain't 4 legends, said I'm the top one. She a dream come true and she know it, my story don't hold up, I know she gon' drop some. That's my BM and these bullets cold, but if you fuck with her then you catching the hot one. She got her own thing that she do, so when I'm in the store I know she working too. Getting the loot and the things that we do, she ain't telling us so that shit cute. Shooting with me in the gym, you can pass me the balls off the rack. Pat a nigga back if you win the shack. If a nigga finna switch, yeah I needed that. Look.
Okay, y'all, I'm just straightening the hair. I was going to do some beach waves in it, but I decided just to straighten it so you guys can see the layers in it and everything. I'll be scared to straighten my colored hair because I don't want the color to fade if you touch heat, because I have had that happen before, but luckily this time it did say green. So anyway, y'all, I'm just going to straighten the hair. I did have to change flat irons because my flat iron had too much grease on it and I don't know how to clean the flat iron. So if anybody have any advice on what to use to clean the grease off your flat iron, please comment below and help me out with this, y'all. But I might put a braid on the side of this as well because I just want to add more, just a little creativity on there. I know I got the color, but I think I'm going to go ahead and add a braid as well. Okay, here I am laying down this closure. This hair is recycled, so it really takes detail, and I had to get my pressing comb to lay down this closure because you have to be sensitive with it, but make sure it lay flat. So that does take more work when laying down the closure, y'all. So I did decide to do this braid, and I'm so glad I did because it turned out so cute, and I just loved it, y'all. And I hope y'all did too. If y'all do, don't forget to like the video. Okay, y'all, I know I'm looking crazy, but look at my braid pattern. I tried to put this in the braids, it was in there, now it's not. Oh well, I'm not gonna keep doing it. My fear is that because of this braid right here, it's gonna be bulky. My thing is gonna be bulky, but I hope it's not. Anywho, I'm gonna put this NARS powder. Do y'all see how natural this looks? Like seriously. Seriously, boo-boo. Like I don't even have anything on. I don't even have any got to be spray on there. Let me get closer so y'all can see. Like baby, I look a mess, but this. Let me brush it out. Y'all saw me do my little braid here. I was trying to do a fishnet, but I was struggling. I haven't done fishnet braids in so long. So I just went ahead and just did a regular snickle braid. This hair is so pretty, like, and I love the color. So y'all, as always, or I'm not even saying that, I'm gonna put where I got the hair from. I recycle my hair. I am a recyclable hair. I had this hair for a year, maybe 2 years now. I'm gonna put where I get my hair from, same hair. And the lengths, I did cut it, but I'm pretty sure this was a 20 or 22. But I'm trying to stay on my tippy toes so y'all can see. But yes, darling, cute. And I didn't even put no got to be glue, and I might not because I mean you can kind of see right here, but I might not. That day. But yeah, y'all, look how this is so pretty and natural. I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff, and then I'll add some pictures at the end. This video, I really thought I was gonna curl this. I did do some layers. This light stuff, but I did do some layers, y'all. I hope y'all can see that. My little braid. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'm late for a mommy-daughter date, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Welcome to my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace. Okay, y'all, I did not put on no makeup or nothing like I said I was, but I did want to show you guys how the wig looked in natural light. So even though I'm talking about some yin, I'm just trying to show y'all how it looks in the natural light, y'all. Okay, that's it though. Bye.